It was the most pitiful thing you've ever seen. The smell of food cooking, poor people that had no control. Ages of residents range from infancy to 60. The patients were cooking for themselves. I remember that big pot of black-eyed peas. It's the biggest pot I've ever seen. The flies, I'll never forget the flies. I remember one woman sitting on the floor, just rubbing her little baby doll. And that's what she did all day long, just rub that little baby doll. Ernie was so touched, bless his heart. We left there determined if there was something that could be done, he wanted to do it.
She saw a need when she went to the hospital that wasn't being met, and she turned to Georgia cities.
Well, I think it was the Municipal Association and Elmer George, who knew them all the mayors, knew all the city councilmen and so forth. He just got behind it. It really just took the state by storm. I remember the first time, there were boxes of pants, boxes of shirts, pajamas, bathrobes, anything that a little town made.
I think this puts a personal touch on what cities do. It's easy to forget about a lot of those people that have been placed in state hospitals. And at least one time a year, our cities and our local neighbors and the folks in our towns have the opportunity to know that those people are there and a need exists and they feel that need.
Even when the hospital closed, we knew that patients were still in our community care centers and their needs were the same. These folks are a part of us. They are our people. They are our community.
We're not doing it with taxpayers' money. We're doing it voluntarily. We're doing it with businesses supporting. We're doing it with organizations in the community supporting what we do.
Just the fact that city officials got involved in mental health way before there was any such thing as community-based mental health and actually were involved. She was way ahead of her time, and I think GMA was certainly on the forefront of getting communities involved and engaged in the lives of people with disabilities.
I don't know, I've had such an interest in life. I really want to be remembered as a good mama, grandmama, and great-grandmama. But I guess Milledgeville would have to be way up there.
I believe this will be Betty Russell Vandiver's greatest legacy.
I don't think she even knew for a moment the impact, the enormous impact that her one project would have on hundreds of thousands of individuals in this state.
It would be the one thing that I would think and hope I would be remembered for. It worked, and it's still working. That's what's so amazing.